2008 Escape Hybrid, rear AC, solenoid, systems on. What do we got? For today's day, on a normal day like this is Daly City. It's usually foggy and overcast. And you see right here, outdoor bulb temperature, ODDB, right there, 56, 57 degrees. Our suction line temperature, taken right there off the evaporator, is 41 degrees. Liquid line temperature, after our subcooling, 68 degrees. Our superheat is 3.9, subcooling almost 0.3. This is normal on this vehicle under these operating conditions. And look at our high side. Oh my God, it's so low, the compressor must be broken. No, this is normal for this vehicle. You don't keep in squirting in refrigeration and putting those cans of Whack Off AC Pro in there until you see 130 or 150 PSI like somebody may have told you, like the YouTube professors. That's it. That's all this is going to be. There's nothing special about this at all. And all this information goes with every one of your customers. It gets attached to their work orders, their invoices, and you keep a file for yourself. You ever have those where you have a technician out in the shop and he's one of the guys where if it doesn't work so good, he pencils something down that looks good. And you know, that causes problems in the shop, and maybe a return customer complaining and there's pointings of fingers. He said, she said, and I don't believe you, and it ruins your shop reputation. If your employees are using this system, you have evidence of the work that the vehicle was working, because everything is on the vehicle, live pressures, transducers, sensors, the vehicle in operation, taking a recording over time. So you can graph this like dry bulb temperature, leave the vehicle run for 10 minutes, and there it is, it's starting right there. And you let that run for 10 minutes and take a 10-minute clip of proving that the vehicle runs and operates at this at the time you deliver it to the customer. There is no hearsay, there is no guessing. We don't guess in this industry. You test and measure, or you're just a guesser. One guy is going to be out of business or always having problems. The other guy has proof to back up everything he does. And if you do a method like this, and a vehicle comes in from another shop, you have proof and evidence of how it was running when it just left the other shop. Customer got mad at that shop, hopefully it wasn't your shop, and he comes to somebody with a system like this, and then he records exactly how the vehicle is running after the customer got pissed off and left that other shop. They came to your shop and said, oh shoot, this pressure is way up here, this pressure is way down here, this temperature is no good. And then that shop correctly does the recharge and can prove what the before and after is. Like, oh look, it's working great now. You don't want to be that shop who can't prove what you've done. All right, see you guys later.